Ghosh.
Okay, where are you from?
I am come from Gacha.
Okay, what's your father's name?
My father name is Ravi Ghosh.
Okay, what does he do?
I read. That's
Oh.
you.
Okay, what's your mother's
My
name?
mother name is Shushmita Ghosh.
Okay, what does she do?
She is a housewife.
Okay, what class do you read in?
I am reading class 4.
Okay, what's the name of your school?
My school name is Gurukul International English Medium School.
Okay, who is your class teacher?
My class teacher is.
Okay, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is spoken English.
Okay, English language. Okay, who is your principal of your school?
Our principal in our school is Shubhamoy Das.
Okay, which subject does he teach?
She teach math.
He or she?
He.
He teaches maths or mathematics, full form, mathematics. Okay, do you like to travel?
Yes.
Yes, which place do you like most?
I go to Kolkata most.
Okay, did you go to Calcutta?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you go to zoo, Alipur
Yes.
Zoo?
Yeah.
Okay, which animal do you like most?
I like tiger most.
Okay, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
Mathematics. Okay. And how many marks did you get the mathematics? Class 3, class 2, 4, the annual exam? How many marks did you get mathematics? Okay, how many marks did you get the spoken English? Out of 20?
20.
Full marks. Very good. Big clap for Shoujo. Big clap for Shoujo, everyone. Big clap.
Wow.